If you need to reset your Lenovo laptop back to its default settings, whether you're starting fresh or preparing it for someone else, the whole process is much easier than most people think. Let's walk through it step by step. Start by opening the Start menu and typing Settings. Once the Settings window appears, click it to open. On the left side, go into the System section, then scroll down until you see Recovery and select it. Inside the Recovery menu, you'll find an option labeled Reset this PC. Click the Reset PC button next to it, and you'll be given two choices. The first option is Keep My Files. This removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. The second option is Remove Everything, which wipes the laptop completely. If you're planning to sell or give it away, or if you want a totally clean slate, choose Remove Everything. This is the safest choice to make sure nothing personal remains on the device. Next, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. You can choose Cloud Download, which pulls a fresh copy from the internet, or Local Reinstall, which uses the files already on your laptop. Both work, but the local option is convenient if your connection isn't stable. The Cloud Download is great if you want the very latest version of Windows without having to manually update later. After choosing the method you prefer, click Next and confirm. The reset process will begin and typically takes around half an hour, though it can take longer depending on your system and files. When it's done, your Lenovo laptop will be restored to its original factory state, just like it was when you first unboxed it. All your personal data will be cleared and the system will be ready for a fresh start or for the next user. It's a simple, reliable way to make your laptop feel brand new again.